Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on parabolas and quadratics and some of their applications. All right, it says a new restaurant is opening up in a mall. The space is 45 feet longer than it is wide. All right, so I'm a visual person. Imagine this thin little restaurant in the mall. Here is the width, and it is 45 feet longer. Okay. The total square footage is 2,800 square feet. Find a function. All right, so the generic function for area is length times width. So W times W plus 45. Now it says find the dimensions when it's 2,800 square feet. So I'm going to distribute the W in. W squared plus 45W equals 2,800. I'm going to move that 2,800 over by subtracting it so that I have W squared plus 45W minus 2,800 equals 0. I have a couple of choices on how to solve this. I could factor it. 2,800 doesn't actually have as many factor pairs as you think, and it wouldn't be too hard to get them all written down. When I get to numbers that are a little bit bigger, sometimes I just rely on the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula says x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, I would have w equals negative b is the middle term, negative 45, plus or minus the square root of 45 squared minus 4 times a, well a is 1, times c, which is a negative 2,800, all over 2a, which is 2 times 1. All right, so now is the part where you cheat. You jump into the calculator, and the two solutions I get when I throw this into the calculator are negative 80 and 35. All right. Well, I am doubting negative 80 is correct since there's no such thing in the real world as negative dimensions. So we're going to go with the 35. If this is 35, then 35 plus 45 is 80. And if we want to know the dimensions of the restaurant, it's 35 feet by 80 feet. It's a coincidence that those two are 80, for the record. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.